Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm your router and phone meet app requirements and make sure firmware is updated so features load correctly. Once done, connect your phone to the router's Wi-Fi, use 4 GHz if the app prompts, and enable location and Bluetooth so the app can discover devices. Next, open TP-Link Theater. Sign into your TP-Link ID or create one in a minute. This step links settings and prevents lost profiles later, which saves time. Now you add devices and tailor playback. Tap Add Device, let the app scan, and select your router or media server. The app uses UPnP or DLNA to index content, which is why you enable those services. Then assign a room name to group devices logically and choose streaming quality to match your network. Make sure you map audio outputs correctly so sound routes to the right speaker. By organizing now, you reduce sync issues when multiple viewers connect later. Finish by testing playback. Play a short clip and watch for audio lag or buffering, because that reveals bandwidth or encoding problems immediately. If streaming stalls, update both the app and device firmware, then reboot the router to clear cached routes. Should issues persist, toggle UPnP or check NAT type, as restrictive networks block discovery. You can also reset the media device and re-add it. One key tip: rebooting the router often resolves transient connection faults quickly, so try that before deep troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.